Rolling. Action.
Why did you say you kissed the ground I walked on? You should have killed me instead. I'm so tired. I want to rest. I just want to rest. I'm the seagull. That's not it. I'm an actress. That's it. He's here too. He is, isn't he? Never mind. He never believed in the theater. He laughed at all my dreams. And then, little by little, I stopped believing in it too. And then, all the emotional stress, the jealousy, I was always afraid for the baby. I started getting petty, depressed. I didn't know what to do with my hands. I didn't know how to hold myself on stage. I couldn't control my voice. You don't know what is that like to realize that you're a terrible actor. I'm the seagull. That's not it. You remember that seagull you shot? A man comes along, sees her, and destroys her life just because he has nothing better to do. Subject of a short film. That's not it. What was I saying? Oh yeah, the theater. I'm not like that anymore. I'm a real actress now. I enjoy acting. I'm really proud of it. The stage intoxicates me, and when I'm up there, I feel beautiful. And now I understand, Kostya. In our business, acting, writing, it's the same. The main thing is not being famous. It's not the sound of applause. It's not that. It's not all the things that I believe in. The main thing is just to have the strength to keep on going no matter what. It's about believing. It's about believing no matter what happens. And I believe on it, and it helps. And when I think of my vocation, I'm not afraid of life anymore.
Nice.